Can Yuri Alemao and Vijay Sardesai see eye to eye?
See, it's not the question of Yuri Alemao and Vijay Sardesai to see eye to eye. We share perfect relation. He has his views of his party relating to Goenkar and Goenkarpon. I belong to the Indian National Congress. Whatever views we share in the assembly, our views, I believe, we are raising voices. He is the one of the senior most MLAs in the opposition. We respect that. So the very fact that outside, see, ideology seems to be the same. So whatever his views, I respect his views. And maka dista ki we should not keep our egos. I believe that we've seen how the BJP tries to take advantage of the fact. आता येच जरी तो रिंचाले तुवें जे रुलिंगांत आहाय तेंगे सारकें आहाय काय कितें नंबर 1 आनी नंबर 2 सारकें आहा हे नंबर 1 और नंबर 2 जे पड चलता दे आर कॅबिनेट मिनिस्टर्स हेंगे कितें सारकें आहा काय कितें सो
पण ते एका पार्टी आहा न्ही तुमी एका पार्टी नात
ना कितें जाता मरे प्रमोद ही इज आवर अलायन्स पार्टनर
या
and when he's part of the alliance, I don't think I should comment. Whatever, there are absolutely, basically it is the interest of the state. As I said, one cannot individually lead the state. It has to be we. That is what yesterday, my birthday.
You're comfortable working with Vijay Sardesai?
I'm comfortable with working with everyone in the opposition. I have no choice. As leader of opposition, it is my duty to unite. Why will I basically divide people within ourselves?